I worked in banking for a few years, and the more money you had in our bank, the more the rules didn't apply to you. We would have a meeting explaining something new. The buckle up, you just flipped my witch. Switch black cat shirt. Accounts would come in and we'd break it for them. Crazy. A rich dude wanting a loan for a Bentley is more likely to have something to go after if he. Buckle up, you just flipped my witch. Switch black cat shirt. Tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie. It always seems so phony to me to reach out to someone or do lunch because they might be able to do something for me. Part of it is buckle up, you just flipped my witch. Switch black cat shirts. Everyone knows and understands. There's literally nothing to be embarrassed about because everyone does it. Seriously. The best example was a job I got by telling this manager I was an other product.